Hello students, today let us understand how to calculate stock turnover ratio. So they have given information relating to opening stock 29,000, purchases 2,42,000, sales given 3,20,000 and gross profit they have given 25% of sales. So by using this we need to calculate stock turnover ratio. So to calculate stock turnover ratio, the information we require is cost of goods sold divided by average stock. So first we need to calculate cost of goods sold. So then we need to calculate average stock. So cost of goods sold can be calculated by deducting gross profit from the sales. So here in this problem they have given gross profit is 25% of sales. So sale is 3,20,000. So first let us transfer sale amount 3,20,000 minus gross profit is 25% of sale, that is 3,20,000 into 25% again is equal to 3,20,000. So if you calculate 25% of 3,20,000 you will get 80,000. Therefore cost of goods sold will be 2,40,000. 3,20,000 minus 80,000, it will be 2,40,000. So you can calculate cost of goods sold in another way. So by using another formula, that is opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. But in this problem they have given only opening stock, they have not given closing stock. So we need to find out closing stock first, then we can calculate cost of goods sold by using the another alternative formula. So before that, so let us know how to calculate average stock. So if you want to calculate average stock, we require opening stock and closing stock. So after adding opening stock and closing stock, if we divide it by 2 you will get average stock. So first let us calculate closing stock. So to calculate closing stock we have a separate formula, that is opening stock plus purchases plus gross profit. Then from these we need to deduct sales value. So if you deduct sales value from total of opening stock and purchases and gross profit, you will get closing stock value. So opening stock given in this problem is 29,000. So 29,000 opening stock. So to that add purchases. So purchases they have given is 2,42,000, 2,42,000 and add gross profit. We have calculated gross profit, that is 80,000. 3,20,000 into 25%. 80,000 is the gross profit. 80,000 minus sale value they have given is 3,20,000. Deduct 3,20,000 from this total, you will get closing stock value 29,000 plus 2,42,000 plus 80,000 minus 3,20,000. Remaining will be 31,000. This 31,000 is called as closing stock. So now we can calculate cost of goods sold by using alternative formula, that is opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. Opening stock given is 29,000. Transfer the 29,000. Add purchases to opening stock. Purchases given is 2,42,000 minus closing stock we have calculated 31,000. So add 29,000 plus 2,42,000, then deduct 31,000. You will get cost of goods sold, that is 2,40,000. So you can use either of the formulas. So based on the information given in the problem, so by using the two of these formulas you can calculate cost of goods sold. So after obtaining information relating to closing stock and opening stock, now we can calculate average stock. Opening stock is 29,000 given in the problem. Add closing stock, that is 31,000 divided by 2. 29,000 plus 31,000 divided by 2, it will be equal to 30,000. This is average stock. So after calculation of cost of goods sold and average stock, we can calculate stock turnover ratio. Cost of goods sold is 2,40,000 divided by average stock. We have calculated 30,000. So you will get 8 times. So we have to represent all the turnover ratios in the times. Here average stock is 8 times of cost of goods sold. So if we calculate this much, you will get 6 marks. Thank you.